Justice of peace. Perjury or lying under oath is a serious crime and have up to 14 years in prison. I filed 52 pages of evidences against Association of Professional Engineers of Ontario for tens of times lying under oath. All of evidences were documented from their 3 affidavits and 1 cross-examination. The Crown Assistant reviewed the documents, and as long as there was clear evidences, sent them to court and asked me to appear before judge and Crown to discuss with them. In the court, after discussion and review of documents, the judge said, because perjury is a serious crime, I adjourn the court for you to bring more information and explain who you are and who the accused is. I filed more documents to show the history of the action and the identity of myself as plaintiff and accused as defendant. Then in another court hearing, I discussed the matter with judge and Crown. During discussion, the Crown intentionally or unintentionally showed confusion a couple of times, and I explained for him to clarify the matter. Finally, the judge said, I know that he lied under oath, but you have to prove that he lied intentionally. I told first, when a person lies tens of times to mislead the court, and any time that I refer to his lies with respect to his own submissions, he brought another affidavit to justify the previous lies with new lies, and finally denies all allegations of affidavits in cross-examination. It is obviously intentional. Second, by law, perjury is serious crime no matter it is intentional or unintentional. And third, if it is important to prove that it is intentional or not, burden of proof is on the accused. A few weeks later, when I asked registrar to show me the comments of judge, he searched around his computer and file room for 10 to 15 minutes and then told me something strange happened. He said, your name vanished on the computer on October 3rd, which you were in the court, and your file disappeared. This clearly shows the reality of the court, which is not based on law and evidences of the file. Rather, it depends on who the litigants